Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to extract a zip file and suddenly got errors something like this, which says unable to expand my database.zip? It is an unsupported format. So what do we need to do in this case? So in this video I'm going to show you how to repair and recover a corrupted zip file using a few simple tools. We will go step by step and try multiple methods so you can recover your file easily. So let's get started. First of all, let's choose the WinZip since this one is the paid version, so I don't think it's a good idea. Since we are here, let's try that one first. And I don't have my evaluation period is already expired, so let's forget about this. The second one is the archive utility, and I will try that one since this one is also not working for me. The third one is the unarchiver, and that one also is not working for me. So we left with only one method, and that method is actually the terminal. But before I fix this zip, you need to understand a zip file can become corrupted because of incomplete download, the interrupted file transfer, disk error, software crashes while compressing. So when this happens, your system may refuse to extract the archive. So since already we tried the WinRAR and the unarchiver, it didn't work for us. So what do we need to do is to go through the different methods, and those methods are those things we need to try in terminal. So let's open our terminal. So first of all, what we need to do is to write the zip -f, and then we just need to give the name of the first we need to go to the directory of the file. In our file is actually in the desktop, cd desktop, and then there is one folder called the KDText. Now we are at the directory where our file is located. I'll just copy the name of my file and then say zip -f and give the name of my file, and then -out, and then I will say repair.zip. Okay, so now we already repaired our zip file. So the next step is just to unzip our repair.zip. So we just say unzip repair.zip. Alright, so this is the file, and we already fixed our zip file by just typing two commands, and the first one was to zip -f my databases.zip or the out, and we create a new zip file out of the repaired zip. And then the second one was just to unzip our repair.zip file. So it's all okay, so we have our databases recovered, so you lost nothing. So thanks for watching. If you want more interesting videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.